The meal order book. The meal order book is filled out by the food service aide 2, both hot and cold. The breakfast and lunch meal order are to be filled out daily at the end of meal service. Meal orders are to be adjusted for student preferences, the amount of leftovers, and shortages. Items highlighted in the same color are to be ordered in the same increments. Blacked out items do not need to be ordered. Food is to be ordered by the number of servings using the servings per shipping container guides. The sum of all entrees is to add up to the total breakfast lunch count. Items listed below the total breakfast or lunch count are self-serve food items and do not need to add up to the total breakfast or lunch count number. Total number of entrees ordered is to be based on the average number served, plus up to an additional 30 servings to allow for choices among entrees. The food service aides will give the one-source operator the meal order book so orders can be placed. The meal order book can be submitted to the one-source operator Friday, Monday, or Tuesday, or kept in a shared location accessible to both parties. The one-source operator uses the orders in the book to input into OneSource. The one-source operator must return the book to the food service aide or shared location as quickly as possible. The meal order book is divided into tabs. There's the snack tab, which includes order blanks for super snack and pre-K snack. Week 1 and 2 breakfast tabs includes all breakfast items for the day of the week divided out by menu date. Because lunch cold, fruit and vegetables are shipped a day ahead with breakfast, cold fruit and vegetables for lunch are also ordered on the breakfast order. Special breakfast tab includes all breakfast menu items and lunch cold fruits and vegetables for specific dates when the breakfast menu differs from the regular cycle. Week 1 through 5 lunch tabs includes the weekly cycle menu entrees, hot vegetables, and grain choices divided by menu date. The special lunch tab includes specific dates when the lunch menu differs from the regular cycle. Let's look at the snack tab. As needed, complete the super snack and pre-K orders by listing the order date and the amount needed. Typically, these orders don't change a whole lot. So when you do need to change the order, be sure to tell the one-source operator when you added an order to the snack tab. The breakfast tabs. There's the day of the week listed, the date the menu is next served, the breakfast items are at the top, and the lunch items are down below. All entrees should add up to the total breakfast count. As you can see in this example, they ordered 80 donuts, 20 Cheerios, and 20 PB&J grams. That adds up to 120. Of course, fill in all the remaining items. The orange, tangerine juice, and apple slices are choice items, so you should order those based on the number the kids take. The title line, where you see fruit, vegetable for lunch, does not require any numbers. The yellow boxes indicates that you need to go to the breakfast special menu tab for this date. Let's look at a special breakfast. It, too, also has the breakfast items at the top, the lunches at the bottom, the date, and then you will see the underlined and bolded items indicate the item that is different from the standard menu item. The lunch tabs. The date is across the top, and of course you need to make sure that you find the right week to be working on. The color-coded items are to be ordered in the same number and served together. In this example, they ordered 80 corn dogs and the General Tso's chicken and fried rice. Those are both yellow items, so you need to order those in the same quantities. As you can see here, they did 36. The PB&J sandwich and string cheese are both blue, and so those order numbers need to be the same, 20 and 20. The total lunch count is adding 80, 36, and 20 together to get 136. Items under the gray total lunch count are the choice items. Food listed in a box this way, as you can see here, is food that is different than the regular menu. So on February 13th, they will be having Cheez-Its. Yellow, once again, indicates that that menu is on the special menu tab. And black boxes mean that there are no schools those days. The special lunch tab, the date the menu will be served, the lunch items, the choice items, and everything's color-coded just like the other menus. The only difference is the underlined and bolded items indicate that that is the food that's different from the standard menu.